How to fix Steam? An error occurred while launching this game. No licenses. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. Launch a Steam. Click on Steam here. Select Settings. Go to Interface. For client beta participation, click on the drop down and select Steam Family Beta. In this drop down, you will find three options, including Steam Family Beta. If you have created or joined a Steam family, click on that. After selecting Steam Family Beta, you will need to restart Steam. Click on Restart Now. Some updates will be installed. Minimize the Steam client app. Open a browser. Type Goldberg Emulator. Press enter. Click on the Goldberg Emulator link. Click on latest build here. Once completed, click on the folder icon. Click on extract all. Extract. Now copy these two files, steam underscore API.dll, steam underscore API64.dll. Copy both the files, right click and copy. Launch the Steam app again. Go to library. Find the game in the list for which the error is appearing. Suppose the error appears for Warframe. Right click on the game. Go to Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Paste the copied items here. Right click and paste. Close the Windows Explorer. Close the Steam apps. Exit Steam. Now relaunch the app. Check if the issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.